Parenting gets easier when you have the right things to help out every day. There are so many new and useful products on Amazon that can save time, make daily routines smoother, and even keep kids happy and entertained. I have listed the best 20 new Amazon finds that every parent will love. From smart organizers to handy baby gear, these picks are practical and worth checking out. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Plush Toddler Chair. Made with a 100% polyester cover and soft polyurethane foam filling, this plush chair is perfect for kids aged 18 months and up. Lightweight and easy to move, it fits well in bedrooms or playrooms. A child-safe zipper closure ensures safety, while parents can easily open it using a paper clip. The removable slipcover is machine washable, keeping the chair fresh and clean for your little one's comfort and daily use. Clothes Drying Rack. Featuring solid beach poles and a sturdy umbrella-style frame, this drying rack offers flexible placement options, corner, wall, or angled. With 16 drying rods and adjustable poles, it provides plenty of space for all your laundry. The rack's design promotes proper ventilation, ensuring efficient drying for every garment. A convenient foot pedal buckle allows easy locking and unfolding, making it a durable and practical addition to your laundry routine. Baby Swing. Designed with 8 soothing motions and 16 comforting combinations, this baby swing ensures calm and relaxation for your little one. The seat can swing front, left, or right, with 6 adjustable speeds to match your baby's mood. It includes 10 melodies, 5 nature sounds, and 2 vibration settings for added comfort. The detachable rocker and removable body support make it versatile, while the AC adapter ensures continuous operation at home. Sensory Bed Sheet. Crafted from 90% polyester and 10% spandex, this sensory bed sheet provides gentle compression for a calming sleep experience. Measuring 38 by 59 inches, it's perfectly sized for safety and comfort. The stretchy, breathable material promotes deep relaxation, helping children fall asleep faster and sleep better. Ideal for kids with sensory needs, it offers security and soothing pressure throughout the night, encouraging healthier and more restful sleep patterns. Mini Washer. Built from TPE and food-grade silicone, this 3.5 pounds portable washing machine is lightweight and safe for families. With a 16L capacity, it easily handles baby clothes, socks, and underwear while providing powerful hand-scrubbing style cleaning. The washer offers 3 timer settings, 3, 5, or 10 minutes, for convenience. Compact and foldable, it's perfect for dorms, apartments, travel, or camping, delivering cleanliness anywhere without needing a full-size washing machine. Dryer Hanger. Combining a hanger and dryer in one, this lightweight 320G device quickly dries clothes or shoes using hot or natural air. It includes a multifunction panel with 3-hour and 6-hour timers, automatic shutoff, and overheat protection for safe, efficient drying. Quiet operation under 40 dB makes it perfect for home, travel, or dorm use. Compact and foldable, it's easy to store and ideal for drying delicate garments or keeping shoes fresh. Sunrise Alarm Clock. Featuring a realistic sunrise simulation, this alarm clock gradually brightens from 1% to 100% over up to 60 minutes for a peaceful wake-up. It includes 26 soothing sleep sounds like ocean waves and white noise to promote relaxation. The 0 to 100% dimmable display and 8-color night lights suit both adults and kids. Simple to operate, with clearly labeled controls, it also retains all settings even during power outages, ensuring reliability every morning. Handheld Sewing Machine. Compact and portable, this handheld sewing machine allows quick repairs and small sewing projects anywhere. It supports both battery and USB power, making it great for home or travel use. Suitable for fabrics like silk, jeans, or cotton, it's ideal for beginners handling simple tasks such as hemming, patching, or DIY crafts. Lightweight and user-friendly, it's a thoughtful and practical gift for sewing enthusiasts or anyone needing quick fixes. Piggy bank. Made from durable wood and acrylic, This adorable money bank lets children see their savings grow through its transparent panel. With a cute dinosaur design and customizable alphabet stickers, it encourages kids to learn about saving in a fun way. Measuring 5.9 inches, it's perfect for coins or bills. The removable stopper allows easy access to savings without breaking it, while also serving as a charming decorative piece for any room. Smart fan. Delivering powerful airflow up to 90 feet, this smart fan efficiently circulates air across rooms using turbo wind technology. With 9 speeds and 6 modes, including auto mode, it adjusts automatically based on temperature. Smart app and voice control simplify operation, while 3D oscillation ensures even cooling. The ultra-quiet DC motor operates at just 20 dB for peaceful use during sleep or work, combining comfort, convenience, and advanced performance in one sleek design. Motion sickness glasses. Made from durable, elastic TPE material, these lightweight, foldable glasses feature a unique right-angled beam for enhanced fit and comfort. Ideal for travel by car, boat, or plane, they prevent nausea and dizziness naturally without medication. The liquid-filled circular frames create an artificial horizon to balance your vision and equilibrium. Simply wear them for 10 to 14 minutes while focusing on a stationary object to relieve motion sickness and restore comfort during your journey. Color scanner. Featuring 4800 dpi optical resolution, this color scanner captures every detail of photos and documents with exceptional clarity. It includes ScanSmart software for easy operation, one-touch scanning, and photo restoration using Easy Photo Fix technology. The removable lid allows scanning of thick books and albums, while built-in OCR converts files into editable Word, Excel, or PowerPoint documents. Users can also create searchable PDFs for convenient digital organization and archiving. Electric skateboard. Equipped with a 36 volts 6,400 mAh lithium battery, this electric skateboard reaches up to 20 miles per hour with a 15-mile range per charge. Dual 400W brushless motors provide smooth performance and a 14 degrees climbing angle. Its lightweight 28-inch deck and LCD remote make riding easy and enjoyable. Designed for safety and fun, the UL-certified system includes multi-speed modes and reliable hardware protection, delivering a worry-free ride for both beginners and enthusiasts. Toddler balance bike. Built to help children develop balance and coordination, this pedal-free balance bike features a low center of gravity and adjustable seat for growing riders. The sturdy frame supports up to 110 pounds and handles bumps with ease. Non-slip grips, a padded seat, and puncture-resistant tires ensure safety and stability, while the ergonomic design promotes proper posture. Its vibrant look and durable build make learning to ride both fun and confidence-boosting. Folding desk. Crafted from premium particle board with a smooth finish, this compact folding desk requires no assembly, simply unfold and secure. Measuring 31-inch wide, it fits perfectly in small spaces like dorms or bedrooms and folds flat for storage. Lightweight yet sturdy, it supports up to 150 pounds, making it ideal for studying, crafting, or remote work. Portable and durable, this desk combines functionality, stability, and long-lasting quality for everyday use. Twin bunk bed. Designed for versatility, this twin-over-twin bunk bed easily transforms the lower level into a study desk and bench. Integrated RGB LED lighting offers over 60,000 color options for a cozy or playful atmosphere. Its heavy-duty metal frame and full-length guardrails ensure stability and safety. A built-in charging station with USB ports and outlets adds modern convenience, making it perfect for kids' rooms, sleepovers, or shared sibling spaces. Smart robot. Combining education and entertainment, this AI-powered robot engages kids aged 5 to 10 with STEAM-based learning and emotional interaction. It adapts to each child's personality, offering personalized lessons, jokes, and even yoga sessions. The touchscreen interface delivers immersive activities without extra apps, while durable sensors ensure safety. Encouraging both learning and movement through interactive games, It creates a fun and nurturing environment that inspires curiosity and active play. Automatic curtain opener. Easily installed without tools, this smart curtain opener offers smooth automation for any room. With a stronger, quieter motor, it handles curtains up to 15 kilograms and supports precise positioning to prevent light leakage. Users can control it via app, voice assistants, or scheduled routines. Silent mode keeps operation below 25 dB for peaceful mornings. Compatible with Matter and Apple HomeKit, it blends modern convenience with energy-efficient performance and seamless smart home integration. Silicone storage box. Made from food-grade silicone and ABS materials, this container ensures safe, fresh food storage. Its airtight seal preserves fruits and vegetables longer, reducing waste and supporting healthy eating. The ergonomic edge design allows easy opening, while the compact shape keeps your fridge neatly organized. Ideal for storing a variety of foods, from avocados to onions, it's a reusable, space-saving solution that adds practicality and freshness to your kitchen routine. Detachable scooter suitcase. Featuring a playful 3D animal design, this scooter suitcase turns travel into fun for kids. Built with a strong yet lightweight frame supporting up to 200 pounds, it offers smooth steering and easy folding for compact storage. The hard-shell suitcase provides ample space for clothes and toys, and the detachable strap allows backpack use. Perfect for family trips, it combines style, functionality, and excitement, keeping young travelers engaged throughout the journey. Parenting just got a whole lot easier with these 20 amazing Amazon finds. From smart baby gear to time-saving essentials, each of these products is designed to make everyday life simpler, smoother, and a lot more enjoyable for parents. Whether it's for you or someone you know, these clever picks are sure to make a big difference. To grab the best deals on all the products mentioned in this video, make sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with other parents, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.